As per media reports that cited an unidentified person familiar with the matter, the Securities and Exchange Commission won't appeal a court's scathing reversal of its decision not to let Grayscale convert its Bitcoin trust into a more investor-friendly exchange-traded fund. The person believes this is to possibly clear the way for first Bitcoin ETF in the US. The markets regulator allowed to lapse Friday midnight deadline to decide on challenging the court's decision. Bitcoin shot above $27,000 after the news came out. In August, the DC Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that the SEC's denial of Grayscale Investments' application to convert the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF was invalid and must be reviewed, calling it an arbitrary and capricious rejection. The court said that federal agencies are required to treat like cases alike. The Securities and Exchange Commission recently approved the trading of two Bitcoin futures funds on national exchanges but denied approval of Grayscale's Bitcoin fund, Circuit Judge Naomi Rao said in August. It's unclear how the SEC will proceed in its next round with Grayscale's application. The agency still has the authority to deny it for other reasons besides the ones courts shot down, though Grayscale could challenge those again in court. Grayscale first applied to convert its closed-end fund into an ETF in October 2021. GBTC is the largest cryptocurrency fund in the world and has been trading at a discount to its Bitcoin holdings since February 2021. That discount reached almost 50% at one point but has since retreated to levels around 17%. Grayscale is among a number of other entities that have filed for Bitcoin spot ETFs. BlackRock and Fidelity are among those also awaiting approval from the SEC.
As part of its increased efforts to provide clarity and protect customers, Australia has announced a proposal to regulate platforms that offer digital asset services. In a consultation document, the Australian Treasury stated that this platform's shortcomings and vulnerabilities had increased the need to regulate to protect consumers. The government intends to take advantage of current financial service legislation in Australia. Platform with assets above a specific threshold, $1,500 Australian dollar for an individual for $5 million Australian dollar in aggregate will be required to apply for an Australian financial service license. The regulators specifically aim to enforce certain duties such as establishing guidelines for custody software and specifications for token transactions. In addition, the proposal would impose new requirements for fundraising, tokenization, trading and staking. The consultation for the document closes on December 1, 2023.
The Monetary Authority of Singapore has granted in-principle approval for Major Payment Institution, also known as MPI license, to Upbit, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange based in South Korea. According to a press release from the exchange on Monday, the MPI license will enable it to carry on providing regulated digital payment token services in accordance with the Payments Services Act 2019 while it awaits final approval. Under the PSA, cryptocurrencies are typically regulated in Singapore. Singapore's government's tight collaboration with banks, businesses, and the public has allowed it to emerge as the world's premier crypto hub ahead of Switzerland and the United Arab Emirates, according to investment migration consultancy Henley & Partners located in London. Upbit Singapore was established in 2018 and received exempt status from holding a license under the PSA in 2020. That's it in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0 or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.